So now we're going to talk about the EyeSight DriverAssist Technology, which are the cameras located near the rear view mirror. Think of EyeSight as an extra set of eyes every time you drive. EyeSight includes pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure and sway warning with lane keep assist, and pre-collision throttle management. The pre-collision braking. A driver ahead unexpectedly hits the brakes or cuts you off. EyeSight warns you, applies the brakes to help avoid impact, and at lower speeds can even help you stop your crosstrek. Adaptive cruise control. Traffic doesn't always flow smoothly. EyeSight can keep a set speed, look ahead, and help your crosstrek automatically adjust to keep your distance, even in stop-and-go traffic. Lane departure and sway warning with lane keep assist. You accidentally drift to the edge of your lane and begin to cross into another. EyeSight watches for lane markers and chimes to warn you before you leave your lane, and it can even help steer you back into your proper course, thanks to lane keep assist. Pre-collision throttle management. This system reduces power to your engine to help you avoid accidentally accelerating into the car in front of you while merging, or if you unintentionally put your crosstrek in drive instead of reverse. Now, each of these features can be turned off, starting with the pre-collision braking, which is right here. If you hold this for 3 seconds, you'll hear a beep, and then down here you'll see that that particular feature is off. To turn it back on, press and hold for 3 more seconds, and you're back on. Right next to that up here is the lane departure warning, which beeps at you if you cross over a lane. You can also turn that off by holding the button for 3 seconds. Down here, we have your adaptive cruise control. And to turn that on, press this button here. You'll see a display up on the screen. Same icon as down on the steering wheel. Drive to the desired speed, and then you're going to set that speed here by pulling down. Once you get to that speed and you're following a car in front of you, you can adjust the following distance behind that car. Right here, this is if you want to increase your distance, and you'll see up towards the left of the screen, the bars continue to increase, going up to 4 bars. And you can also decrease down to 1 bar. Now, 1 bar on the freeway is about 2 to 3 car lengths. So starting off at 1 bar or possibly 2 bars, and then you can go from there based on the comfort that you feel with the car in front of you. Next, we have lane keep assist, which is right here on the steering wheel. As you can see up on the screen, it is currently off. If I want that on, go ahead and press the button. And now you can see up here that it is on. Now, once again, the lane keep assist is a physical feature. It's going to physically shift the car and try to keep you in the center of your lane while you're driving. These are the primary features of driver assist technology, the EyeSight driver assist technology.